Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to demonstrate the differences between leveling a cake using a Wilton cake leveling tool and leveling a cake with a serrated knife. To see a more in-depth tutorial on the tool, check my other video on how to use it linked in the description below. Start off by using a ruler to pick a height and then insert toothpicks into the cake at the chosen height. I found it helpful by making starting cuts on the cake so you can cut through easily. Once those are made, cut through the cake from one side to the other, making sure to stay above the toothpicks since they are the guide. As you can see, the cake has a chunk missing, so it isn't perfectly level, but you can always re-level or fill in with icing. I have already selected the height I want to use on the leveling tool. If you need to learn how to set a height on this tool, you can check out my previous video which explains how. After the height is set, cut the cake with a sawing motion, doing your best to keep the feet flat on the surface. As you can see, it created a pretty level surface. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and select the bell to get notifications on future content.